In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Systemi.io in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up appointments, scheduling meetings, or streamlining your workflow, this integration can significantly boost your efficiency. So let's dive in and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First off, you need to open your web browser and head over to calendly.com. Once the website loads, look for the login button, which you'll typically find at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in your email, then click on continue. Next, enter your password and hit continue to access your Calendly account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Calendly homepage. Here you'll see a list of your scheduled events. Choose the event you want to integrate with your Systemi.io account and click on the share button associated with that event. This will open up a few different sharing options. Now you're going to see an option that says add to website. Click on that and choose the inline embed option. This method allows your calendar to be seamlessly embedded on a web page. After selecting it, click on continue. You'll then see a button labeled copy code. Click it to copy the embed code to your clipboard, as we'll be using this in the next steps. Switching over to Systemi.io, log into your account and navigate to your funnel. Click on the website section once you're in the system, and then choose Sales Funnels from the menu. You'll then select the specific funnel where you wish to integrate your Calendly event. Once you've chosen your funnel, locate and click on Edit Page. On the funnel editing page, you'll need to select a spot where your Calendly calendar will fit best. Once you've found the right area, click Elements in the sidebar and choose Raw HTML. Drag and drop this element to your selected location on the page. Now click on the Raw HTML field to open it and then click on Edit Code. This is where you'll paste the code we copied earlier from Calendly. After pasting the embed code, click on Save to ensure your changes are updated. It's a good idea to double check that everything looks right, so go on and click on Preview. This lets you see how the calendar appears on your page. If everything looks good, congratulations, you've successfully embedded your Calendly event into your System.io funnel. And there you have it, a smooth integrated system to manage your scheduling and sales funnels, all in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching and feel free to comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues. Happy integrating.